Hello everyone and welcome to another painting basics video. Today we're gonna strip some minis, so get your popcorn, your chain ready and let's get stripping. The minis of course. What you need is some space that you can get dirty, and I will explain my mistake in that regard later. Some metal minis, some resin minis, plastic minis. You need lots of minis. You also need some gloves, jars and an old toothbrush and something to fish the minis out. The chemicals that we will be using today are acetone for metal, AK paint stripper for resin and Vamot paint stripper for plastic. You also need a pew pew guy to do the job. Basically what you need to do is to pack the minis into a jar and pour the chemicals that you have for this specific type of material. In this case it's gonna be for plastic. The next ones are metal minis, so put them in a jar and pour the acetone in. Don't forget to shake it a bit. What then? Well, you should soak them for some time, so use it wisely. For example, you can engage in some fun activities. You can watch TV with your mates. Or you can eat something spasmodically great. Or whatever, I'm not your mom, dude. So first we will clean the metal minis, and please remember guys that this channel is for me to learn while explaining everything, and I am more than happy to get some suggestions or tips. I will make a lot of mistakes down the way. I will try to put all of the things in the description. Feel free to comment, share, like and subscribe, and let's get the channel growing together. Right, so the mistake I made here was that I was cleaning it heavily on my working desk and got it very dirty in the process. Please find some space that you can get dirty or clean easily while stripping minis. Another thing is that please remember guys to always put the gloves on. Believe me, those chemicals will make a mess with your hands in the long run. Cleaning the metal minis was easy because you just brush it after taking them from the jar. It is even smarter to wait a few seconds and then start removing the paint. I always clean the plastic minis in hot water with some dishwashing liquid. Yeah, so the resin miniatures are... I really hate those, but I know that there are lots of them. I found this way of cleaning on the channel Race for Terra, so the link will be in the description. The guy there did a far better job than I did. Please subscribe to him. The mini additionally got damaged during the cleaning, so But what I basically do here is I pour the AK on the mini and wash it with a toothbrush piece by piece. Alright everybody, so thanks for watching the video, and please remember to share, like and subscribe to the channel